on me. When you see him, know it's on me. When you see him, know that's on me right there.
Hey guys, it's WavySpice here, coming to you guys with another kind of vlog of what I'm eating, what I'm doing for the week as far as like my fitness goals. So I'm super excited. I stuck to my workout plan for last week. It was pretty intense. It was like a different muscle group every day. Mind you, I haven't been in the gym in months. So it was very intense. I was very sore the entire week. But it was really good, and I got my program from a friend of mine. Her name is Tiffany. I will put her information somewhere on the screen so y'all can check her out. Her program is $10. She is like an awesome fitness person, and she does like even competition. She's a Marine, so definitely support her. Anybody watching from my hometown, if you're looking for a plan to lose weight, definitely hit up Tiffany and just see what she has to offer. I don't know if she's still doing it right now, because I think it was like a limited thing, but definitely something to offer. So I just want to show you guys what I am making, and I am actually doing some white chicken chili for my lunch. And there's my chicken over there. I just baked that, some chicken thighs and some chicken breasts, and then I have some onions here starting this up. So I'll keep checking in with you guys so you can see the process of me making that. So I just had onions at first, and now I'm adding in the garlic. I found this recipe on the internet. I have been craving chili, and I only had chicken in my fridge, and we gotta work what we got because we're trying to save money. So yeah, I just found a chicken chili recipe online, and hopefully it tastes good. This is my first time doing it, so it probably needs some room for improvement. But the recipe is super simple. I'll definitely link that below so you guys can check it out for yourself. All right, so far I've added the green chilies, chicken broth, and then all of my seasonings to the mixture. I use red pepper, paprika, and oregano, and Creole seasoning as my salt. And I just have to bring this to a boil, and then I think the chicken goes in after that. But yeah, I got 3 cans of beans here. I got 1 can of Great Northern and 2 cans of Catalini beans. One of these cans I'm going to actually put into my NutriBlender and blend up, and then the others I'm just gonna rinse and drain. And yeah, that's a part of the recipe. It looks like after I blended it, I'm just gonna pop this right in the soup, and then put the 2, I'm gonna strain the beans here and put those in the pot as well. Here's what the soup is looking like so far after I added the beans in there. And I tasted the soup at this point, realized I needed some salt, added a little bit more salt. I feel like I'm still missing something. I can't quite put my finger on it though. Let's pop the corn in, and I'm about to go grab some cheese and put that in as well. It calls for some other type of cheese, but I'm going to just put some cheddar cheese in it because that's what I have. So I'll put those ingredients in, and now I'm just going to let this boil for a little longer, and then I'm just gonna add the chicken, the lime juice, and the cilantro. Got this thing at a boil. Now I'm gonna just pop the last few items in, and we're gonna be done with this meal. Pretty quick, probably took me about 20 minutes to make, so 10 out of 10 recommend. Well, I haven't tasted it, so I can't quite say that yet, but as far as easiness to make, very easy. So now I'm gonna roll out these limes, get them nice and juicy. And I'm probably gonna squeeze. I love like super liminess, especially in like my black bean soup that I make. And this is similar to that, so you get this pretty limey. I already put the cilantro in. I'll just squeeze these limes. And here is the finished product. White chicken chili. I'm gonna have this for like the next couple of days for lunch. Probably gonna add like some cheese and some sour cream when I actually eat it in the bowl. So yeah, guys, that's what my meal prep for the next few days is gonna look like. Good, guys, I'm back. I ate my chili and it was really delicious, but I just wanted to show you guys my my lunch prep for tomorrow. So I just have tomatoes, carrots, and hummus here, and then I also have a mandarin orange, and then I have my chili right there. I have my green beans. I have a couple of tortillas in here and some hot sauce, and that's what I'm taking for lunch tomorrow. All right, so what's good, guys? I just wanted to show you guys how I pack my lunch. I was really lazy packing my lunch today. So I got my chicken chili right here. It's so delicious. I really love this recipe. I'm definitely making that again. And then I got this little quick break snack thing, and it's just like some cheddar cheese, dried cranberries, and almonds. I have a car orange here, and then I have some raspberries in there, which are so delicious. But yeah, I'm keeping it real simple for my lunch this time around and snacks, because I did not feel like washing dishes. It's not like me to not wash dishes, but today I just didn't feel like it. Plus, I don't have work on Wednesday, so it's the last day that I need to like really prepare. And I get paid on Wednesday, so I'm probably gonna go grocery shopping again. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing on like my little lazy day. And yeah, what's goody, guys? So I'm back from the gym. I haven't recorded in a minute. I came home, chilled for a bit, and then went to the gym. Today I did triceps and what was it? Let me check my little workout. So today I did chest, tris, and delts. So yeah, it was very tough. I ended it with a little session on the Stairmaster, which I'm stronger than I was last week on the Stairmaster. We're stepping things up, you know, we're moving in the right direction. But I went to the grocery store and I'm about to make some turkey burgers, which is one of my favorite meals. And I'm also about to make some sweet potato french fries. Mini grocery haul. I got me 2 yummy kombuchas. I got a tomato, some raspberries, ground turkey, peanut butter cup halo top, because I saw a girl talking about this on TikTok. And I got the Alexia sweet potato fries. Okay, so I'm super sad to report that I thought that I had Lipton onion soup mix, which is typically how I make my burgers. But I don't have any Lipton onion soup mix. I usually follow the recipe on the back of that, which literally just calls for mayo, the soup mix, and breadcrumbs. But I don't have that. But I do have some sazon. So that's like the only like real seasoning stuff that I have here. I do have the mayo and the breadcrumbs, so looks like we're making a new recipe today. See how this turns out. Well, looks like we're gonna try this. Says use the same seasonings. Lord. I think I'm gonna do like 3 packs of sazon. This don't smell like it's gonna make it taste how I want it to taste, but I feel like this is gonna make it taste like taco fucking burgers. Some salt. Onion powder. There's a lot of that. Pretty much just use all of that. Garlic powder. Also use a ton of that. And then Do the mayo. Girl, I'm just gonna do this mayo and this mayo and the breadcrumbs and call it a day. I'm so damn tired. I don't even care. Make me some meals for the next couple days. All I'm trying to do. I just eyeball it. Don't ask me how much mayo is supposed to go in the damn thing. That's about 3 spoonfuls in there. Some breadcrumbs. Just eyeball those two. A good amount. And then we're gonna see how these things turn out. So I'm gonna come back to you guys when I get these on the stove and cook up and everything. Alright guys, so we got some cooking up and the burgers don't look too bad. They don't smell too bad. Hopefully it tastes good. If worse comes to worse, we'll just have some like a taco burger situation. But yeah, tasty meal. Can't really go wrong with it. Tasty and cheap. After the flip, they're looking good. They're smelling really delicious. Burnt them a little bit, but that's how I like mine. Just a little crispy, you know what I'm saying? So update, the burgers turned out really good. Like, even if you don't have the Lipton onion soup mix, it's still really tasty with that. So, happy about that. Made me about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 patties. I ate the little mini one that I made. And then my fries, I don't have any like bread or anything. I'm just gonna have this like as like a bunless burger. So yeah, that's it guys. Quick and easy meal. Just want to show you guys what this looks like. Just put it on a bed of lettuce with tomato, onion, and some mustard. So here's what my lunch looks like. I just got the sweet potato fries into there, my burger, the little salad part, and then here's my snack. I'm also gonna throw an orange in there, per usual. And yeah, that's it for lunch. Another day. This is going to be for Thursday's lunch. So we're almost through the week. Made it to the 15th, and I still have a couple things left for my grocery haul, but yeah, just want to show you guys. And that's the leftovers.